ko alam, parang over the years, yung connotation ng sexy star parang nag-iba.
Mm.
Unlike before, 'di ba? Parang
Mm.
for me, parang okay lang siya eh. 'Di ba? Parang
Mm.
ngayon, bakit parang nag-iba?
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe because of, yung pag-boom ng social media, maybe it has something to do with that. Everybody's doing it. And then wala nang filter. Back in the day, medyo may excitement pa because I don't know, where am I gonna see her? Am I gonna see her in a magazine? Where
Mm.
can I catch her, diba? So may mga may mystery. So
True.
think that's why. So um may pros and cons then to be in that era.
Era.
So
Mm.
yeah, I was fortunate enough to experience yung how it was before. We're in mas excited yung mga tao to see you, and yeah, yun.
Eh, 'di ba parang
Siguro
dati,
yun ang difference.
napaka-glossy. Natatandaan ko parang people would wait for the glossy magazine FHM. And they would wait kung sino magiging centerfold, kung sino yung magiging cover. 'Di ba
Correct.
parang, kayo,
Yeah.
'di ba nag-aagawan kayo for that spot?
Correct, correct. So that's probably that's it adds up to the mystery of that person, of that celebrity. And nagkakaroon ng a bit of premium, 'di ba? Back in the day. So and then parang kakaunti lang kami noon. Tapos ngayon parang everybody or anybody can, which there's also a positive there, di ba? May positive side there because at least not everybody's given that opportunity. Everybody can make a name for themselves without the help of networks or whoever, di ba? Uh, Ayun, we have all these channels, avenues where we can express ourselves and make a name, di ba? Yeah.